have a very funny way of showing it.
Is that any way to talk to your mother?
You aren't my mother.